Avoid these items when traveling internationally. Packing the right items is essential for smooth international travel. Let's explore what to avoid. First, avoid sharp objects like scissors and knives. Security will confiscate them instantly. Next up, never pack items that could be classified as weapons. This includes anything that looks dangerous. Don't forget to skip full-size toiletries. Opt for travel-sized options to save space and comply with regulations. Avoid carrying liquids over the allowed limits. Stick to 3.4 ounces, 100 milliliters, or less for all liquids. Avoid overpacking. Bring versatile clothes that can be mixed and matched for different occasions. Don't pack too many electronics. Choose the essentials and ensure they're charged for security checks. Limit your shoe count. One pair for comfort and another if necessary is usually enough. Be mindful of souvenirs. Some may be restricted or could exceed luggage weight limits. Finally, avoid carrying large quantities of medication. Bring only what you need and carry prescriptions. By avoiding these items, you ensure a smoother journey through customs and security. So, remember to pack wisely and keep your travel experience hassle-free and enjoyable. With the right packing strategies, you can enjoy your trip without unnecessary stress. Safe travels, and don't forget to check your luggage before leaving home. Thanks for watching. For more travel tips, stay tuned and subscribe to our channel GABA Travel Surrey.